This is a daily morning and mobility mindset motivation routine that you can follow along to first thing in the morning. Here's a preview of the first move. We're going to start with these shoulder rotations. We do a set of 4, then 4 of these simple heel lifts. So that's going to be move 1. We're going to do it for approximately 1 minute. So come into position and just give me that full arm circle, either arm, and now take one heel up and just alternate doing sets of 4. So just keep repeating this sequence. And this here is just going to really warm up your upper body and also really warm up through those ankles. So we're loosening up through your shoulder joint, just warming up those muscles and just really helping to mobilize your body first thing in the morning. And just again, take me those heel lifts. I'm going to have a few little motivational quotes. Remember, you don't need permission at all by anyone to believe in yourself. And just take those heels up. Keep standing nice and tall, big, full shoulder circle. Just 5 moves today. That's good. And last few there for move 1. All right, let's have a look at move 2. So this one is a nice controlled waking up through your upper back and through the waist. Then we're going to do a few of these trunk rotations, but we're going to start with those reach up across, feet are hip width distance apart, reach your arm up and over, but keep it really slow and controlled for me, reaching it up. So we're getting that lovely stretch through your back first thing in the morning. And then we're just also really trying to reach over as far as we can. So we're just getting that lovely stretch. Always make sure your knees are slightly bent for me. And this time now, all I want you to do is just give me 4 of these little just twists from side to side. And then reach up, back over, across. And let today be kind to you and let yourself be kind to you back as well. All right, that's good. Reach it over. So just feel that really loosening up through your back and just warming up through your core. And just give me a few more of those really relaxed just twists from side to side. So for your next move, this one, we're just going to take a big step forward, and as you do, you're really going to open up the arms. So here we're just really helping to mobilize through your hip, your knee, as well as upper body, especially through the shoulders, through your upper back. So a lovely move here, and really focus on again keeping it really nice and controlled. And this one here is also going to really help enhance your balance as well as your mobility and your flexibility. And the joints we're specifically really mobilizing here is the knee, the hip, even the ankle and the arms, shoulders and elbows. And remember, a lot of the time we don't give ourselves enough credit. So remember, you're doing better than you give yourself credit for. And it's really important, let's just have that real positive motivation in the morning, have a little bit of what we call manifestation. We are going to have a good day today. All right, that's it. Nearly done on move 3. So let's have a look at move 4. So for this one, we're simply doing slow controlled knee marches. So we keep that upper body nice and straight. Just draw that knee up. Focus on keeping those tummy muscles drawn in, so you're pulling your belly button in tight towards your spine. If you struggle with balance with any of these, you can always place a hand by the wall. So just slow, controlled move. And just do it with purpose. Just think about what we're doing here. We're just really mobilizing through that hip joint. This is also really good to help realign your body after a good night's sleep as well. And this is a great quote to really remember every single day. Do something today for your future health. That's something that I always say in all my videos. And even just this quick 5-minute morning mobility is going to really help your future health as well. All right, that's it. Just drawing that knee up. Upper body is staying nice and tall for me. And we've nearly finished on that move. So let's have a look at your next move, which is your final one this morning. And we're just going to do a tap the foot across and slightly behind and take a double arm swing. So let's get ready and just tap that foot across and behind and double arm swing. So this one here, we're now finishing off with a really energizing move. This is going to really increase that blood circulation. It's going to make you feel great, and we are mobilizing through your ankle, your knee, your hip, your shoulders and your elbows. So it's a really lovely move to finish on. And just nice quick 5 minutes every morning. Do this little mobility just to really loosen up your body so you're nice and flexible, nice and supple for the rest of the day. And we've got that positive mindset as well. And just remember, it's never about our pace. It's always to make sure you're heading in the right direction. And by doing this today, you're definitely pointing the right way. All right, that's good. And just swing, double arm swings, step that foot across. And do let me know in the comments down below if you've enjoyed this. Also, if you've got ideas for more 5-minute exercise snacks you'd like. Well done. There is your high five, and you are now going to have a wonderful day. And remember, every time we move, we're investing in our future health. And I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.